Hey guys, it's your girl Sherrell and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a relaxing cleaning with me. As you guys can see, I was absolutely carefree. Earlier in the day, I relaxed with my kids. I sat down and listened to my daughter read her favorite book to me. I enjoyed a show put on by my son. My husband was out of town and I decided to capitalize on spending a little extra time with my kids and creating special memories. As moms, we can get busy and want our home to be clean and organized, but it's okay to choose family over things. Yes, I love cleaning. Yes, I like things to be in their place. And yes, I love creating clean with me videos for you guys. But I'm a real person who chooses not to fail at being a wife and a mom. If you are new to my channel and you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future uploads that I post. I kind of have a lot to do around the house, so it's almost a whole house clean with me. I like to unload and wash my dishes during the day so that I am not overwhelmed with dishes that was used throughout the day. However, spending a little extra time with my kids was definitely worth it. So I feel like I like my morning and nighttime cleaning routines equally. So when you are done with your cleaning routine, do you like to curl up on the couch and watch Netflix? I definitely like to, and I've been watching a TV show again called Maryland. I have no idea why, but it just helps me to unwind. But comment below letting me know what is your favorite TV show to watch on Netflix. And because I have not washed my dishes all day, I decided to add a few drops of a lemon essential oil in my garbage disposal just to prevent it from any smells, and I just love the scent of lemon. Shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. So we had leftovers for dinner, which was a nice break because I had cooked breakfast and lunch for us. So I'm going to wipe down my counters and my appliances with my Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose spray in the scent basil.
Nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, over that, I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the dizzying heights.
And so I'm using the same multi-purpose spray from Mrs. Meyer's to wipe down my table and my chairs.
Everything's so much better, riding high
Typically, I would vacuum my floors, but because we had rice with our dinner, I thought it'd just be easier to make sure that I get every grain of rice that's on the floor with the broom.
No going back, there's no going back to your old life. No living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying high. Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low-key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you.
Next, I'm just cleaning my floor with my DIY cleaner, and I'm just using equal parts water, vinegar, and essential oils.
I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my brain.
So thankful to have children who are heavy sleepers. That way I can vacuum my floors after straightening my living room.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep looking for you.
You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around.
Moving on to the half bathroom, I wanted to give this room a quick clean. My husband was coming home the next day, and I wanted to make sure that the house was nice and tidy. So one of the things that I like to do when I'm cleaning is either listen to music or a podcast, and today I was actually listening to Torrin Wells. But comment below letting me know, what is it that you listen to while you clean? Is it an audiobook, music, or a podcast?
I will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts.
So after cleaning the vanity, I'm moving over to cleaning the toilet with disinfectant wipes.
In the stars, you, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else.
And I'm finishing this room by disinfecting my doors, my door handles, and of course my light switches.
You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was real. 'Cause there's too much noise around us.
So I hope that you guys enjoy this relaxing clean with me, and I hope that you got all the cleaning motivation that you needed. And I'm so excited to share with you guys that I'm going to be participating in a few collabs with a few YouTube mamas, and we're going to be giving you the ultimate cleaning motivation. So girlfriend, be sure to subscribe below if you haven't already. Until next time, you guys, stay beautiful.